Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for joining me for a new Etsy print-on-demand shop review. This is episode 19, and we are reviewing another established Etsy shop. Now, last week we looked at an Etsy shop with 10 times more sales than the one we're looking at today, but we're going to be looking at Lucid Customs with almost 4,000 sales, and I'm excited. Just from, I never really deep dive into it before I record these, but just from what I've seen, it looks like they sell a lot of coffee mugs, and I'm always excited to see like a niche shop, if it is in fact a niche coffee mug shop. So let's get right to it. Real quick, just wanted to remind you, I run a weekly print-on-demand giveaway. It's free to enter, and you can use the link in the description. It takes like 10 seconds. 2 winners are going to be selected every Sunday, and this week is sponsored by Merch Titans Upload Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, All Sunsets Premium Graphics, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. So go ahead, use the link in the description and take advantage. Also, in the description, you'll find a link to my 8-day print-on-demand mini course, which sends you 1 lesson a day to your email. And it walks you through the Printful Etsy integration so that you can get set up. And of course, I've got a print-on-demand Facebook group that you should check out as well. All right, now that we got that out the way, let's look at this Etsy shop. All right, so here we are at Lucid Customs. I will, of course, put a link to it in the description in case you want to check out the Etsy shop for yourself. First and foremost, I love the banner. It says Lucid Customs. They've got this like neon text effect that I really like. And it says quality custom-made designs delivered to you. And they've even got like a little sliding, rotating banner. That's pretty cool. Currently running a sale. Whole shop is 15% off. And then they've got okay, that's another banner right here showing that they offer various types of mugs, 7 color handle options, all white, all black, etc. Very cool, very cool. I wonder if they're using Guten to fulfill these orders, or maybe even Gear Bubble. So they've got 3,754 sales. Very nice. Buyers are raving. This shop got multiple 5-star reviews in the last 7 days. Love it. The shop owner matched the background of his icon right here behind my head to the background of the banner. I always like that. Just keeping the theme consistent. Looks professional. They have a welcome message. Welcome to Lucid Customs, customizable home goods shop on Etsy, where you'll find quality mugs, wine tumblers, candles, stickers, pillows, home and living decor, etc., etc. Basically setting the expectation though, right? We're 2 sentences in, and we've already got the expectation set of what we're going to find in this Etsy shop. So I like that. They even have their Instagram plugged, featured in. They've got a shipping notification, free shipping worldwide on mugs, wholesale orders, bulk discounts. Very nice. Business hours. I mean, this looks extremely professional. Guys, like the difference between this shop and your shop is literally not including the number of sales that's publicly displayed, but like the difference between this shop and your shop is perception. And you know how to manage perception? Do things like this. You know what I mean? Like literally doing things like this is how you manage people's perception. And that's the difference between a shop that people see and they think, wow, this is really professional, and every other shop that, I'm not going to say you're unprofessional, but you're just like everybody else if you do the minimum. And I'm not insulting, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to say it's okay to do the minimum if you're on a time crunch, but I really like this. They clearly went a little bit above and beyond with their effort. All right, so you can already see right here, just look at the left side, that they've got a bunch of sections set up. So on sale, I guess that gets automatically added. By the way, they're managing their sales actively. Notice they have 646 products available for sale, and they have 646 products on sale. I mean, pretty often we review Etsy shops where we see that the sale is not refreshed, and that can often result in awkward pricing. So I do want to commend this shop owner keeping their sale running. Let's see if they actually refresh it every... Look at this. Boom. This has to be... I don't remember if this was from somebody who watches the channel, but I'm pretty sure it was. I think they emailed me or maybe dropped a comment and told me to review their shop. Either way, obviously, I listened. And this is beautiful. Look at this. I mean, sale ends in 5... You guys see this? I love this. Look at this. Sale ends in 5 hours. I always say, if you refresh your sale regularly, you can get it to say short durations of time instead of just what customers are used to seeing, which is on sale, right? The difference can be making a sale or not, because it's one thing when people favorite or add to cart. It's a complete different thing if they actually check out. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. But like, it's not as easy as just saying, hey, they favorited the listing, so they'll buy it. a lot of people get distracted. You guys know how life is. Life is busy. So you want to make them buy while they're here. And again, this little scarcity tactic, or I don't know if scarcity is the right word. I don't think it's scarcity, but you get what I'm saying. It's the countdown, right? We're used to seeing that on sale pages. You see here, they keyword stuffed the title, and I'm not typically a fan of keyword stuffing. However, in this case on Etsy, I mean, I'm cool with it. The real case in point is that they utilized like the full character limit of the title with relevant keywords and more or less not just keywords, but phrases as a customer would type them, right? So a customer comes in, types in turtle mug, turtle lover gift. Now they might just type turtle lover, and that's still a phrase match, but this would be an exact match. Well, I guess it's not really exact because it's part of the whole title itself, but it's like a phrase match within a phrase match. Turtle coffee mug, turtle cup, sea turtle gift, cute turtle gift, etc. Right? I'm not telling you guys like how to do your titles, but I am a strong believer that on Etsy, including multiple relevant phrases to what a customer would search is a great way of getting indexed on more relevant phrases and increasing the likelihood again of, more impressions equals more click-throughs equals more conversions, right? In summary. As you can see here, number one, actually, we should go back and let's just look at the primary thumbnail for this listing that we're looking at, right? You see this right here? The text on that mug is bold. It's black text against a white mug, so great color contrast. Like, they didn't do anything crazy here, right? But, like, it's not that uncommon to see where we miss this. And in my mind, you can make so many sales, or you can at least increase your sales, right? I don't want to set any unrealistic expectations, but you can at least increase your sales by doing these basics, right? Big, bold text, easy to read. They used good symmetry, right? Like, look at how the text fills in the rectangle there. From there, like, well, their primary thumbnail is cropped to look really good, about as good as you could possibly make it. They've got the custom background as well. And then when you get to the listing itself, look at this. They've got some other mock-ups generated and mixed in. This is templated. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's. I'm sure if we went to some of their other listings, you will see a similar approach to how they created the listing and the images, where they probably have like a Photoshop template where in the top right it says color handles. They got the butterflies, and it says black, blue, green, orange, red, pink, yellow. Bottom left, it says, whoops, how did we get down there? Oh, I moused over the navigation, my bad. Bottom left says 15 ounce or 11 ounce, 15 ounce, etc. They've even got like little previews of the mock-ups. So you can go to mug option, and you can see here all the 11 ounce and 15 ounce variations, the different color handles. They've got the camping mugs. Do they have previews? Yeah, they do. Check that out. Glass mugs, etc. Now, I may need to reach out to this person and figure out if they had a print-on-demand production partner that was able to streamline pushing from the production partner to Etsy and set all of this up automatically. I doubt that's the case. So the alternative is you just spend a little bit of extra time on all of your product listings. Here's the thing. If you can just find time to do like 5 a day, you got 1,500 listings after a year. That's more than twice as many as they have, by the way, at 646. And 5 a day is, I don't want to say it's reasonable because I'm a computer nerd. I've grown up with computers basically 2 decades in a row of just like being at a computer all day, every day. But if you can find a way to streamline your processes, reduce the amount of time it takes you to do any task. And when I say any task, I mean really the repetitive tasks involved with getting 5 listings done a day, whether it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, etc. You don't have to be obsessive like I probably was, but like I would time myself to see how long it took me to do stuff, and I would just try to reduce the amount of time, because you can do the math. If you know how long it takes you to do something, you can do the math. That way you won't be surprised. That way you don't have to set an unrealistic expectation. If you know how long it takes you to do something, you do the math and you know how much time you're going to need. And if you know how much time you have, you know how much you'll get done in that amount of time, etc. Very analytical, right? But you can see here more mock-ups. Love it. Little cute touch there with the 15 ounce taped behind. Where have I seen these mock-ups? Is this Gear Bubble? I'm not really sure 100%, but and then they've basically maxed out the number of images that Etsy will let them upload. And they even say personalization option. So check that out. They got the personalization right there behind me. Again, free shipping. So Etsy notifies the buyers right there. Hooray, this ships free to the US. They've got 517 shop reviews that Etsy prominently displays right underneath the product mockups, which they know the customer loves, because there's no better proof than social proof, right? Like if a customer's on the fence, like, is this shop legit? Is it not? Like, seriously, sometimes as a web developer, this is stuff that I probably think about more than like, normal people. When you go to a web page, like, you don't really think about why it's laid out the way it is, why text is big over here but not over there, things like that. Like, it all really matters. And like the way Etsy lays out this page is really doing everything it can, because Etsy makes money when we make money, to convince the customer to make the purchase. So you see like shop name, 5 out of 5 star review after almost 4,000 sales. The title, whatever, no one reads the title. Everybody's looking over here at the images. You can see you've got a bunch of quality mockups. You've got the sale with the old price struck out. All right, so you got the sale price. Sale ends in 5 hours. Perfect. You got the options. You've got the personalization, quantity. Of course, you've got the shop reviews in the bigger left column. So they're going to see, okay, social proof, 500 plus reviews. Buyers are raving. Multiple people gave this shop 5-star reviews in the last 7 days, etc. So it's like all these either obvious or subliminal mental check marks in the potential buyer's head that, hey, you can trust this shop. People are really happy with what they're getting. If you like this product, consider purchasing it. Now, we've pretty much done like already a nice little shop review there without having to go and look at every single thing that this shop does, because it just seems like they get it. Like they know how to run a successful Etsy shop, really just print on demand shop in general. It's not just Etsy here. I'm confident they're doing really well, probably on every platform that they're on. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts about this shop in the comment section below. I think it's definitely, if not the best, it's one of the best that we've reviewed, and we're almost 20 shop reviews deep. So round of applause to Lucid Customs. And again, guys, if you want to check out this shop, I will link to it in the description. Thanks everybody for watching. Just wanted to remind you before I sign off that I did take the time to record a full print-on-demand course. It is a beast. It's 10 modules, 100 lectures, walking you through exactly how I started, scaled, and then automated a print-on-demand business that makes over $100,000 in sales every single year. You can find a link in the description if you would like to learn more about that opportunity. But anyways, guys, thanks again. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that great stuff, and I will see you tomorrow.